Hello friends, happy to see you again on my channel Learn Python by the Practice. In this lesson we consider next task, replace with alphabet position. Welcome. In this kata you are required to given a string, replace every letter with its position in the alphabet. If anything in the text isn't a letter, ignore it and don't return it. A 1, B 2. Alphabet position. Example: the sunset sets at 12 o'clock. And next return. So, in the first of all, we create empty list. Next, we create a string with all letters of alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, Y, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This will be our indexation, which starts of 0. We plus a 1, and in this way we give a right number. So next we create a cycle for our text and iterate every letter step by step and create next condition. If current letter is alpha, we append to our list in format str abet our string alphabet index for current letter I, and for this indexation we plus a 1 and return with space like divider for our result list. We join with space our result list and check it. Yes, it's working. Attempt. All of test cases be done. Is next. Decision. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments line. Thank you for your reviewing. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.